Hello friends, welcome to Mysterious Tales X. Tonight, we explore a question so strange, so unimaginable, that even the boldest scientists hesitate before answering it. A question that bends the boundaries of biology, physics, and imagination. Can life exist inside the sun? Not life made of flesh, not life made of carbon like us, but life made of pure energy, life made of plasma, life born from fire. It sounds impossible, but the universe has a habit of hiding secrets where we least expect them. Let's begin. We humans are carbon-based. Our bodies need water, oxygen, balanced temperature, and a fragile environment to survive. At just 100 degrees Celsius, our cells die. At 1000 degrees Celsius, our atoms break apart. Now imagine the sun, a gigantic furnace, with temperatures of 15 million degrees Celsius at the core, and a raging sea of plasma at the surface. No carbon, no water, no structure can survive there. So at first, the answer seems simple. Life inside the sun? Impossible. But when has nature ever been simple? In the last few decades, scientists discovered extremophils, microorganisms living in boiling acid, frozen deserts, volcano vents, radiation that should kill anything within seconds. Every time we said, life cannot exist here, life quietly proved us wrong. This forced scientists to ask a bigger question. What if life doesn't have to be like us at all? What if life could exist in forms we cannot even imagine? Our chemistry is carbon-based. But carbon is not the only possibility. Some scientists have proposed, what if there are plasma-based life forms? Creatures not made of atoms, but of electrically charged particles. Strange. Yes. Impossible? Not entirely. In laboratories, researchers have found that plasma can form stable, self-organized structures, almost like cells, tiny glowing plasma spheres that behave eerily like living organisms. They absorb energy, they grow, they divide, they interact. They are not alive, but they mimic the behavior of life. So now imagine the sun, an endless ocean of plasma, constant energy, constant motion, electromagnetic fields twisting like serpents, waves of radiation shaping patterns that repeat again and again. What if complex plasma structures could exist in this environment? What if they evolved, not through DNA, but through magnetic fields? What is their thoughts? Were patterns of energy? What if the sun is not just burning, but living? Some theories even suggest that such beings might be enormous, kilometers wide, moving like glowing shadows through solar storms. We have no proof, no photographs, no recordings, but we do know that the sun produces mysterious signals, strange rhythmic pulses, patterns that some scientists call solar oscillations. Are they just natural vibrations? Probably. But the truth is, we don't fully understand them. For all our technology, the sun still hides most of its secrets. Could life exist there? Not life like us, but life made of fire. We cannot say yes, but we cannot say no either. The universe is too big, too old, too mysterious to assume that life only comes in one shape. Maybe the sun is silent. Maybe it's only a star. Or maybe, just maybe, within its burning layers, something ancient and energetic is observing the universe in ways we will never comprehend. Is this fiery journey into possibility sparked your imagination and made you see the universe with new eyes? Then do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you wish to support my work so I can continue bringing these cosmic mysteries to you, you may contribute a small amount. As a humble gesture of encouragement, your support keeps this exploration alive. I'll meet you again with another question, another story, another mystery of existence. Right here on Mysterious Tales X.